how to judge the security of programs. Like for example, if you are a security professional and you want to judge that this program is more secure and this program is less secure, so you must have some tool, you must have some knowledge to judge that yes, this program is more secure, this program is less secure over there. Okay, if I give you two example, like for example, mm, if you have a website of like for example, like King Fahd University website, okay, and you have a website of eBay, so if I tell you to compare these two, which one is more secure? So what do you think, which one will be more secure?
eBay.
Why?
Maybe the quality of the coding.
Quality of the
because
coding. And
because it has because it involves payments and transactions.
okay, okay, now let's compare the Abdul Aziz Al Hamoud, let's compare the Jareer website and the Amazon. Which one is more like secure?
For now, I think it's Amazon because it's a bigger organization and more transactions are going in and
Yeah,
out.
yeah, so they, it means they care more about the customer basically.
If you put it in this way, of course.
Yeah, okay, so it means that so security is directly relevant to your customer and to your revenue as well, right? So if you want to increase your revenue, if you want to increase your customer, you need to go for more security. So now from this small example I give you, you can see the importance of security of your programs. See, now you have not judged it, you have not tested, you didn't apply any vulnerability software, you did not like give the website to the NISIS, this is the program, and you did not give anything, but you got an, just like a perception that this is more secure and this is less secure. Okay, so how to judge the security of the program? Now see what the hacker, what the authors tells us. The quality of the code. Yes, Abdul Aziz Hamoud said that the quality of the code is important. If the quality of the code is good and there is no innate programming errors in it, so it will be apparently or like most probably it will be secure. Second is quantity and types of error, faults and failures. Okay, how many quantity means and how many types of errors are occurring, how many faults are occurring and how many failures are occurring. Okay, what are the difference between these three: errors, faults and failures?
The errors is a fault of an error, a fault of a code.
Okay, errors are faults of a.
Uh, like if you didn't write the code in a correct form.
Mhm.
Faults if you put this is only my assumptions. Faults is if you put codes incompatible,
Mhm.
and failures if the codes are correct but it failed.